Thank you for your interest in hosting a Bean Hoppers coffee tasting experience. I'm Melinda, founder of Bean Hoppers Coffee. I just wanted to walk you through the different kit options and so you know what to expect for your events and what your participants are going to receive. So I'll start with the basic kit. The basic kit has 3 coffee samples, all the supporting documentation that your participants will need to take part of the event. During this event, we will deep dive into how to describe and identify flavor in coffee. And then the next step will also include everything in the basic kit. But the next step is also a manual brewing kit, which includes a Hario V60 pour-over dripper where your participants will learn how to brew coffee using the connoisseur's favorite brewing method. It's a must in every coffee lover's kitchen. They will love getting these. To increase this kit a little bit more, you can add on the hot water kettle that is by Bodum, and it has a nice gooseneck to pour the water over the coffee grounds super easy. It's our most popular kit. You can also add on a coffee scale, and it makes your package the ultimate coffee tasting package, and you can even add on a tasting cup if you wish. So come along and take a look at our coffee tasting experience events so you can get an idea of how we do them. Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through a simple method and introduce you to terms when referring to flavor and experience in coffee. You're going to get tips and tricks and learn how to use the Hario V60 pour-over brewer. And you'll also get tips on learning how to brew coffee using any brewing method that you have.
Bean Hoppers brings your team together by inspiring collaboration using their sense of smell, taste, and experience while learning about coffee in an immersive and fun way.
Now, acidity is often misunderstood when you're talking about coffee. There's 4 factors to making a great cup of coffee. And another great class option is to have the coffee and espresso class. Your participants will learn how to use the AeroPress coffee maker to make espresso at home. They'll learn the difference between coffee and espresso and a cappuccino and a latte. It's a great add-on to any event. And our cold brew experience is a fantastic new experience for your guests. It includes a whole cold brew kit that has the coffee, a cup to make it in, all of the custom ingredients to make 2 specialty drinks, and it teaches your participants how to brew cold brew and how to make specialty drinks in different ways to enjoy it at home. This is our chocolate raspberry shortbread coffee drink, and it is one of our most popular drinks. Each kit can come with or without the cold brew toddy system, which makes it super easy to brew cold brew at home. You can choose which cold brew recipe you want to create with your group. We use all small batch syrups and handmade ingredients. Your participants will love making the recipe and learning all about cold brew coffee. We can customize any experience to meet your needs by making it as short as 30 minutes and up to a full hour. So as you can see, our coffee tasting experience events are a lot of fun. I hope I get to work with you on your next event. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them.